Yes, children. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is negative sentences, that is chapter 24 of your book. Okay, that is English 1 book, which is in page number 98. Today we will study negative sentences. What are negative sentences? First of all, I'll tell you what are negative sentences. As you all know, what is a sentence? Words, group of words that make a complete sense is a sentence. In your last video, you all have come to know which are the kinds of sentences. Now, in this chapter, first you all will know what are negative sentences. Negative sentences are those which shows negation in it. Negation, that is words which are used in in negation, that are always in a negative form, that is not in a positive form, that are in a negative form. Okay, like for example, if we say straight away one sentence that she is a good girl. Okay, she is a good girl. And in the other sentence, that is negative sentence, when we have to change she is a good girl, when you have to change in a negative way, you will just use not in that and you will say she is not a good girl. Understood? Now, you will see in your book there are a few sentences. Kindly read it. I am not wearing that dress. Here you see not. The word not is used. This is a negative word. No, not, never, nothing. All are negative words. Second one again, she has no money. No. Third one, they have nothing to hide. Nothing. Again is a negative word. I never lie to anyone. Never is again a negative word. All these sentences express something negative and are called negative sentences, which shows a negation. Okay, there is no positivity in it, so these are known as negative sentence. Okay, again here another definition of this is sentences which have words like no, not, nothing and never in them are called negative sentences. Clear? Children, now while writing negative sentences, there are a few things which have to be kept in your mind while making the negative sentences. Some positive sentences, which are the rules that have to be kept in mind while writing the negative sentences. Okay, first rule is, let us see here children. First one is when sentences have different forms of the verb be. Okay, some words which will be added in this are is, am, was, were. Okay, we use only not. Example, for example, he is tired. We have taken a word from here, is. Okay, then we are making a sentence, he is tired. This is in a positive, this is a positive sentence, he is tired. Okay, if we have to use a negativity for this, we will say he is not tired. Then am, I am her sister. Negative, not to be used. I am not her sister. Then was, we have taken was. He was hungry. Again not is used. He was not hungry. Again were, they were sitting in a park. Not is used. They were not sitting in a park. Okay, first rule finished. Now coming towards the second one. When will be and shall be is used, we put instead of be here, which after will be is used, we use not. Understood? This is the second rule in negative sentence. He will be singing on the stage. This is a positive sentence, and the negative sentence, just after will, it will be not will be used. He will not be singing on the stage. Clear? Now, coming towards the other one. We shall sing on her birthday. We shall sing on her birthday is a positive one. We shall not sing on her birthday is a negative one. Okay. Now the third rule. While using we, use short forms in negative sense. Children, we all while speaking in the word in our language also, we use sometimes short words. Okay. These short words like is, am, was, shall, will, we use. In these words, we use not. Is plus not. You see, if you take the word is plus not, that is isn't apostrophe T, I-S-N, instead of not, N apostrophe T. This is isn't. Okay. Was plus not, that is was, wasn't, was, N apostrophe T. These are short forms for negative words. Shall plus not, that is shan't, S-H-A-N apostrophe T. I am plus not, that is I apostrophe M. AM instead of AM, that is am not. Will plus not, that is W-O-N apostrophe T, that is won't. As we have written here, shall plus not, that is shan't. Will plus not, that is won't. Okay. Now in the fourth case, in case of sentences having different forms of verb, have, such as has and had, we use instead of not, no. Okay, instead of not, in these words, when these words are used like have and has and had, we use instead of not, we use no. Example, I have a pet. In a positive way, if you take I have a pet, I have instead of not, negative word, we have used here with have, we have used I have no pet, negative word. She has a pet, again has a pet, in a positive way. She has no pet, means have, has, had. When these words are used, not will not be used, but instead of not, no, no will be used for negative sentences. Understood? She has no pet. They had a pet. In positive sentence, they had a pet, and now with had again, they had no pet in negative sentence. Clear, children? Now, the other rule is these kinds of negative sentences can also be written with the help of does not, do not, or did not. Not only, children, we don't have to use only not, we don't have to use no, we don't have to use never, we don't have to use the other words, but we can also use does not, do not, did not. Clear? Now, example, I have a pet. Have a pet. This will be in a positive way. Then, to use it, the other rule is also there, that is, if you have to make a sentence in negative way, I do not have a pet. can also be written with the help of does not, do not, or did not. I have a pet, positive. I do not have a pet. She has a pet. She does not have a pet. They had a pet. They did not have a pet. You see, children, have is used in all the negative sentences. Clear? Now, when you come with towards the sixth rule, when the verbs consist of more than one word in sentences, when the verbs consist of more than one word in a sentence, like only one word in a sentence, like Sita is dancing, positive. Sita is not dancing, negative. She will dance, positive. She will not dance, negative. Clear? Now, when these rules are finished, after going through this, children, again I'll show you. You see clearly, okay, where you are mistaken or where you have not caught the words or you have not understood. You see once towards the rules what I have explained to you. It's very clear. Okay, you see where shall be, will be used. You have to use will not be, shall not sing. Okay, then again here short forms is plus not, isn't, won't, shan't, wasn't, am not. These all are short forms. Then again, in case of sentences having different forms of verbs, have, had, has, instead of not you have to use, you can use no. Okay, like I have a pet, positive, I have no pet. She has a pet, she has no pet. They had a pet, they had no pet. Clear? Then again, kinds of negative sentence with the help of does not, do not, did not. That is, I have a pet, I do not have a pet. She has a pet, she does not have a pet. They had a pet, they did not have a pet. Clear? Then again, in the last, when consists of more than one word in sentence. When the verb consists of more than one, like dancing. Sita is dancing, positive. Sita is not dancing, negative. She will dance, positive. She will not dance, negative. Clear? Children, after completing this, we will see towards the exercise that is in your book in page number 99. Excuse me, that is page number 99. You have to write this and you have to clearly write in your book. Rewrite the sentences in negative form. Meena has a mobile phone. Has. With has, I have told you, Meena has no mobile phone. Okay? Rashmi was playing the piano. Rashmi was not playing the piano. I am feeling hungry. I am not feeling hungry. They are feeling tired. They are not feeling tired. She has a new dress. She has no new dress. While the explanation or which is in the book, I have told you, you have to go through this, clearly understand this. Then this very exercise which was in the book, please complete this exercise first in the book. Okay, in our next video I'll tell you what to do, and I will have the explanation of page number 99, 100 and 101. Then we will do the exercises again. Please revise this negative sentences again and again. Okay, thank you.